shit, I mean, check, mic, check, mic, check, mic, check. Hold on. I'm gonna let that Mickey. What is up, y'all, man? It's your boy, Taxi. We're back at it again with yet another one, bro. I have not done one of these in a minute. So today, you know what I'm saying, we're doing an unboxing. We got a little something going on, you know. So today, we're gonna be unboxing the Sony A7S III, bro. Yes, I'm a Canon user. Yes, I am. Canon user, Canon lover. But when it comes to video, that Canon just don't do it for me, bro. So I had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to take special measures, you know what I'm saying, to get what I needed out of a camera, you know what I'm saying, because you guys know, I mean, as many of you know, but probably all of y'all don't know, I've converted to video like pretty heavily, and I need something that can really take up all of my standards. So I got this Sony A7S III. The S brand is made for mostly video, and it's able to go like lower light than like the others. Like S2 doesn't go as low in ISO as this one does. My camera is like losing focus on my face. See, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to like Canon. It's not made for freaking, you know what I'm saying, it's not made for video for real. It's made really for photo because they're color technology and color science, but other than that, they're really not pushing for real. Like Canon, the R series, I'm on my R right now filming, and then I got my RP right here. This has a 24-105 lens on it right now. I'm gonna be using that 24-105 lens on here as well, but it's gonna crop. It's gonna add like a cool 5 millimeters to it, 5 to 10 millimeters to it, depending on it. So by 24 would be more like a 30, 35, 38. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see. Yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. Let's get the opening up. Well, I'm gonna start with the little stuff first. First, we're gonna start off with this adapter. This is the Voltrox EF to E2 adapter. It has an auto focusing mount on it. I don't think it comes with the focus ring. I don't think so. But you slide this little thing off. She kind of cut it open for me at the store, so I didn't really have to do too much. But this allows you to be able to use different lenses with different types of glass, because all my glass is Canon. I have all Canon glass, man. So that's really what I'm using. Let's see. This is the little adapter right here. I'm taking this out. I'm gonna set this to the side because we're gonna convert. We're gonna use it later on to convert the Sony over to Canon glass. But it just comes with all these different like Voltrox papers in it. Everything's in like Japanese or whatever. So I mean, I can't read that. But this came in at $139 for pre-purchase. The dummy battery for it as well. This came in at $24 from Small Rig. I'm partnered with them. I love them. I have like a lot of their different stuff, bro. Like I have their Small Rig phone case, Small Rig accessories. I have a whole bunch of Small Rig stuff over here as well. Like it's wild. It's wild. Small Rig, love them. I also got the Small Rig cage, speaking of it, for my A7S III. This is the cage right here. We're gonna be putting this bad boy on as soon as we get it out of the box. I'll go ahead and open this for you guys too. I love all the Small Rig boxes, bro. Like they just look so nice and sleek, and just like, you know, it reminds me of Off-White almost, because it just says the one word on there. It's just so fire. Small Rig, big dreams. Like it's hard. It's so hard. All right. Take this out right here. Something got going on. Also Small Rig. This came in at $40. I know you guys might be like, whoa, what? Because it's the cage. The cages are usually more expensive. Like my cage for the camera that you guys are on right now for my R, bro, was like $100 and something. This one was literally $45, bro. Like I was appalled. I was like, bro, what? It was crazy to me to see that that's how much it really was. But it comes with a little tool down here for you to keep in there in your little rig cage. Has magnets on it, so it keeps it in there. This is the little screw part that goes in here to be able to keep your camera intact into the cage. Just one little screw holds your whole camera intact, bro. So we're gonna set that there too. And now we're gonna get into the big boy. You know what I'm saying? That Sony A7S III. Let me check my phone real quick. I've been seeing all my stuff going off. You know, being a business owner, you got a lot of stuff going on, you know. People be just like referring me to people, and then they send me their screenshot of them like referring somebody to me. I feel like that's so cool. Let me know if you guys like this little background setup I got going on. I got the little lights luminescent over here. I don't know if they're too bright. I'll turn them down a little bit. We got the lights luminescent over there, you know what I'm saying? And we got the little like trippy vibe in the back. I don't know what that is. I just felt like it was a really good addition to add in here for y'all. But yeah, let's get it. This is I've been wanting this camera for so long, bro. You guys do not understand. Like, I've been plotting on this camera for so long. Let's go over the box, bro. Bluetooth capability, CFC press, SD video, USB-C type, HDMI. I'm pretty sure this is HDMI mini. I probably can't use it with my current monitor. They either have like the vertical grip attachment showing you which ones you could use, shooting grip, wireless remote commander. There's a lot of stuff that's made for Sony, bro. Like a lot of stuff that's made like native for Sony users. And that's why I just had to switch over, because bro, like when it comes to video, there's so much stuff that they make just for Sony that they don't make for Canon or for my Rs. Like Small Rig makes a lot of universal stuff, but it's still not enough for my R. Like I'm filming on my R and doing club photography, but my ISO does not go low enough for me to be able to use for real for club videography. Like club photography, cool, because I can always use a flash to compensate that, but in reality, I need a little bit more than that. Alright, 35mm full frame, 12.1 megapixels. ISO goes up to 100 and 2,400. From 80 to 100, 2,400. That is wild, bro. At 759 points of autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, 4K 120, bro. 4K at 120 frames per second. A 4.22 bit, 10-bit. A lot of y'all probably don't know what this is, but I mean, you probably wouldn't be watching the video if you wasn't trying to learn. But it's okay, it's okay. But it's just, it's really wild to me, bro. And they're showing you everything on the back of the box that you can also purchase as well. Let's get into it, bro. Like y'all don't understand. I've been wanting this camera so long, bro. All right. So it comes with this little piece. I'm pretty sure this is like a little. I don't know. I don't really know yet until I unlock the camera, but it does say HDMI on it. It says multitask. So I'm guessing that this is for. I'm guessing that this is for like to attach to the camera body itself. We'll see, because I have a rig, so I don't know if it's gonna like compensate for my rig, but we'll just sit this over. We'll sit this in this box. In my small rig box, it comes with a USB Type-C Sony cable. You guys can see that. Little handy dandy manuals, A7S, we have the E-mount instruction manual. Got various manuals actually. Okay, they're also showing you the types of SD card that you should use. It's just like showing me like I can't use any type of SD card. I didn't know that. I mean, I thought that it was universal SD cards. It just says I have to use one with SF on it. It says that SF, like I have to use a Sony type. We'll try that afterwards. I got a lot of SD cards here, as you guys can see right here. Like I'm loaded up, my G, I'm loaded up. I'm gonna try that out and just see what that has to entail. They have a Sony code right here, like you could probably win $1,000 for Visa. Okay, cool. My warranty's in here. Limited warranty for 1 year. It came with the camera. What else? Lens accessories, artist. Okay, boom, boom, boom. A7S2, another manual. It's probably a different language, not gonna lie. All right, but let's get into the juicy bits. I'm pretty sure that this next thing I open is it. Actually, it's not. I thought it was, but it's not. Bro, there's so much that comes in here. So cause I was gonna buy like a used version, but seeing how much comes in here now, it's like, yeah, it was worth that extra little bread. Like they got the Sony strap, and it says A7S3, S3. So they really know that you dropped that bread for real. Cause that S2 was like, bro, the S2 was a whole 1,500 less, bro. New versus this S3, so that really shows you how they really upgraded a lot of this mechanisms in this freaking camera, bro. Like, it's just wild. All right, but look, we got the S3 strap. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Sony X Canon breed. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a hater of each brand. Like, I was like a Sony hater at one point, but then I had to like think like, bro, like people are gonna use what works best for them at the end of the day. And if you're a Sony user, then well, so be it. You know what I mean? If you're not a Sony user, you're a Canon user, so just so be it. You know what I'm saying? Here goes the charger. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys this. I forgot the type of charger that I use. I think it's a, I don't know, because I have a dummy battery, so I'm gonna use my dummy battery to NPF, like 900 battery or NPF. Like it's the Samsung one. Do you know the Samsung batteries like this right here? And then it has a little converter that you could put it on, which also is small rig. Everything I have is small rig brand. I'm sponsored by them boys. Yeah. Love them boys. And then they got input here, input here. For everybody asking how to get sponsored by SmallRig, it's actually not hard. Send them an email. And if they look at your page and they see that you qualify and you have enough push, then they'll like do it. Like SmallRig is actually very nice. They'll sit there and actually like text you back and forth in a text thread and answer all of the questions that you have. So they're really cool. They're really cool about that. Yeah, this is the charger. Here's the charger. Both of that. Go ahead and put that in there. And now it seems like it's time for that big boy. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I'm missing. Is there anything else I'm missing? What is this? This is an extra battery? I'm probably the extra battery. Yep, extra battery right here. Or this is the battery. I don't know. It says Z on it, so we're gonna see. Put that back in there. Put that back in here. Alright, now ooh, I can see it. I can see it. Hold on. Y'all ain't ready, bro. Hold on. Man, bro, look at this baby, man. Hold on. Is there anything else in here before I throw this box? I want to make sure there's nothing else in here. I don't think so. Yeah, it's pretty light now, bro. Box away. Now we're looking at Bay right here. All right. She comes in this nice little sleek packaging. You know what I'm saying? She looks real. Oh, I just pressed the button, and that button feels so crisp. It's always good to buy your cameras brand new, simply because when you buy them brand new, you know that they're okay. And like a lot of cameras, like let's say for example, you got a Canon R, two Canon Rs, right? And both of them are listed. One's listed at both of them are listed at the same price. At the end of the day, one of them is still more valuable than the other, simply because one took more pictures or more video than the other camera. And when you take more video, it's like more wear and tear. Like for example, when you have a car and you put 100,000 miles on it, or you go over 100,000 miles, you're really wearing and tearing that car. So therefore, the value of that car does what? It goes down. It depreciates. So if you're using a camera, it's the same exact thing. It's gonna go down. It's gonna depreciate if you're using it constantly. If you're using it for video constantly, you're gonna depreciate it faster. It's like you speeding in a car versus you using it for photo and then it depreciating it slower. But video is going to take up a lot more pixels of the sensor and use a lot more of that sensor. Let's look at this baby, bro. Let's just pop. I want to pop the battery in already. Like, this is wild. Oh man, look at that battery shaft, bro. This is crazy. And then it's made for video, so it has the side. Oh, bro, I haven't had a camera with the side SD card ports, bro. The side SD card slots. Yee, that's wild, bro. All right. Let's put the battery in there. Let's get to playing with her, bro. Nice little unboxing. See what she got to hold. I gotta get used to these new batteries because I don't have none of these. I got a whole bunch of LPF17s, and yeah, a whole bunch, like a lot. It feels pretty good in my hand. Like a camera, a grip would make it that much better, but it does feel really good in my hand. Like this feels really good, bro. This feels really good. Like it makes me want to create something. Like I just want to start. Like I want to start shooting, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I want to start shooting. You got that on button. Turn that boy on. Let's see what she's talking about. Is she gonna turn? I turned her on. I mean, no, yes, no, yes. Am I tripping? I feel like I'm tripping. Am I tripping? Oh no, it's on. Oh, it's in setup mode. It's asking me, do I speak English or do I speak Francisca or Espanol English? Oh, this boy touchscreen. Operate safely. Okay. Okay, it's on. Say no cord in camera. All right, hold on. Let's turn the thing back on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Y'all hear the way that thing just turned off? I heard the crispiness. All right. Voltrox. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I just keep hearing this the crispiness in this video. I just heard such crispiness just now. All right. Put my Canon glass on here. Alright, so I got this boy locked up. Now we got this one who got that thing on it. Oh, get it, Liz. Yeah, this thing's hard, bro. Let's see how she looking right now. Turn it back on. Play around with her a little bit. Like it even has this one has the flip screen for real, like how I was already using. Okay. This is wild, bro. This is wild. Like, sorry. It's like, I don't know, bro. It's like, It's crazy. Cause I'm in manual video mode right now. I'm about to put this bit in picture mode. Cause this one's weird. Like you have to like push the button down to change it, so that way it doesn't change. But I mean that's good for like while you're doing video. That's kind of where Canon has their flaw at too. Ooh. Bro, this is so, bro, what? Put this thing in manual mode just to play around with it and just see what she got going on. I'm gonna have to really learn this camera, bro. Like going from like Canon to Sony is a little, you know, you really gotta do your thing there. Oh, okay, I think that's what it is. Like, since it's not native, it's not gonna autofocus by itself. I have to autofocus it myself. So that makes sense. Okay, so I have to autofocus it myself because it's not gonna just autofocus because it's not made for this lens. So if I had a Sony lens which is native to here, it'd be a little bit better. But since it's not gonna do that. All right, that makes sense. But bro, this ISO goes so high, bro. What? And the fact that this is like, this is touchscreen is just so much better. Like, I don't even know what like. Display mode, manual, auto white balance. There's a lot going on. I mean, all right, y'all. I mean, that's mostly it for the unboxing. I'm gonna get back at y'all when I learn how to use this thing. I'm not even gonna lie. So when I actually do learn how to use it and I start using it for real, then you know what I'm saying, y'all might see a lot more out of me. I'm not gonna lie, because this right now is already lit. You know, like it got me going crazy already, and I ain't even really hitting for real. So when I start hitting for real and really doing my thing, it's over, bro. It's over. Like I got a lot of music videos coming up real soon, so you guys please stay tuned for that because they're coming. They're very much coming, man. But it's your boy Taxi. It's been a lit day. I've been looking down a lot, not really at y'all because y'all not that cute. But go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, follow me right now on Instagram, taxi.png, on YouTube at, you know, Taxi Media. And we're gonna get it, man. I'm gonna try to keep bringing y'all videos like this, like something different though each time, but like probably give y'all some like photography tips or something like that, because a lot of y'all keep asking me for advice because like how I'm growing so fast. I might start that. I don't know yet because I don't want to give y'all the sauce, but we'll see. You know what I'm saying? But let me know if you guys really appreciate this video, if you like it or not. Like, give me a like and a follow. Instagram's about to start making it to where you can start subscribing to people's Instagram pages. Like they're gonna call them Instagram channels. Start doing that. I got a PC too back there. I don't think y'all see it or whatever. I got a PC. Started doing some PC stuff like editing and stuff like that on there. I just went crazy on my PC, so I got a lot more RAM and I'll be able to edit a lot more crazier videos. And if you guys want to like start watching me edit or something like that, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll let you guys know how this goes because this is about to get wicked for real. But yeah, man, it's your boy Taxi, and we out.